Super excited about this AI bookkeeping tool. It's super awesome. Okay, so I'm just gonna take you back. Normally if you're using like let's say QuickBooks or something like Zero, some type of accounting software, every month you have to go in and you have all these like different expenses you have or credit card expenses, and you just have to like go in here and you have to choose which account it's going to go into, what the category it is. Is it an expense? Is it, asset, whatever. And it's just a pain, man. I could do it myself. I could pay someone. But we're in the age of AI now. So why, let's take advantage of that. So let me jump over to.
Hi guys, Simon from Side Hustle Magic, brought to you by 858 Consulting. On this channel, we discuss business processes to help boost your business. Today, I am filming from beautiful Ireland, the northwest coast of Ireland. Please book a free 30-minute consultation at 858consulting.com.
All right, cool. So super excited about this tool. Today I'm going to review a software package called puzzle.io. It's an all-in-one solution. Basically, it can replace your bookkeeping software such as QuickBooks, Xero, whatever. And then it has all these different additional tools that you can add in. So take a look here. It says, there's different tiers. There's the formation, startup, and advanced. I'm gonna sign up for Puzzle AI. It's an add-on tool that you can do for 25 a month. And basically what it does is it syncs with your credit card and your bank account. So every time you make a charge, it's in real time. It'll sync with it, and then it'll automatically, using AI, it'll categorize what that expense is. So was it something that's reimbursable? Was it for services? Was it for insurance? Was it for whatever? It'll figure that out. And then at the end of the year or quarterly, you can push one button and spit out different types of reports, profit, loss, whatever. You can also give your accountant access to your account, just like QuickBooks. You can also export those reports to your accountant during tax season. Oh yeah, and if you have QuickBooks already, just one click import. It's super easy. Okay, let's just get started. So go to puzzle.io, click the Get Started for Free button. Once that pulls up, just fill out and register your account. Okay, and then the next step is you just basically have to sync the system with your bank account and credit cards that you have for your business. You just simple log in and sync those and set those up. Okay, once you're done, it's going to say you're finished importing. You hit continue. Now you have an opportunity. If you have an accountant, you can have them log in, or if you do it yourself, you click that. If you want to book a concierge call, you could, but I just click continue. Okay, and then the next step is to do your AI categorization. So you kind of train the system. In this case, it's a tenant cloud, a software package. So I just type in expenses and search for software operating expense. Boom. And then, you have your other ones. You can do a couple of them just to get it trained, and then you're all set to go. All right, cool. So once you've trained the system, I think about 5 or 10 transactions manually just to train the system, but it learns pretty quickly, and I found it's super accurate. You can see here in a couple transactions past couple days, it already identified staples as supplies. Have a couple of software operating expenses here. These are all AI. I didn't do these manually. These are all like super accurate. If for you can scan it. The first couple of months probably you want to scan it. Okay, and then if there happens to be an issue, like let's say this PayPal one's wrong, you just click on it. You click on the category, and you just pick the real one, and it overrides it. Couple other things I want to show you. Reports, super easy, one-click reports. Let's say you want to get a profit loss. You just click on this download button, figure out the dates, click export, boom. Tax package for your accountant, boom. Super easy. Okay, integrations is another thing I want to show you. This is where you add in your business bank account, your credit card. I also synced up Gusto, which we use for payroll. So now all those transactions are automatically synced and uploaded into the accounting software. Super easy. Okay, and then one other thing I want to show you is this is going to blow your mind away. Ask an accountant. Sometimes you sit in the middle of the night, you're figuring out what to do. You need to ask your accountant. Check this out. Chat with an accounting expert now. It's completely free. Boom. Click the button. chat window pops up. You can ask your question to an account. It's super easy. It's amazing. That in itself is worth everything. So I think I'm going to be using Puzzle.io. I'm going to get rid of QuickBooks and just make my life easier. I can just use AI to do categorization and bookkeeping. So let me know what your thoughts are, and thanks for listening.
Hey guys, hope you loved that video. I don't know about you, but I think this can really change my life and way how I do my business. So thanks for viewing, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks so much.